Now let's move to question 2. So question 2 was write an algorithm that uses Bayes' theorem for decision making. So to explain this question properly, I will first explain what Bayes' theorem is and then explain the student's example, and after that I will explain the crime or dowry death example. So what is Bayes' theorem? Bayes' theorem is a probability formula which helps us to update our decision when new evidence is given. In simple words, it tells us the probability of an event based on some condition or evidence, and the formula for Bayes' theorem is P of A upon B is equals to P of B upon A into P of A upon P of B, where P of A is prior probability, P of B upon A is conditional probability, and P of A upon B is final updated probability. So first example is student performance example. So here we are given P of pass 0.75, P of fail 0.25. This means out of 100 students, 75 passed and 25 failed. And given conditional probabilities are P of attendance less than 60 and fail 0.85, P of attendance less than 60 and pass is 0.15. That means 85% failed students have attendance below 60 and 15% pass students have below attendance. So, given student X has 55% attendance, which is below 60%. So, applying Bayes' theorem, we'll get P of fail and low attendance is equals to 0.65. So, the final decision is there is 65% probability that a student X will fail. So, the system takes a data driven decision that student X is at a high risk student and should be given extra academic support. And second example is dowry death example. So P of dowry death given is 0.12 and P of burn plus marriage less than 7 years and dowry death is equals to 0.95, and P of burn plus marriage less than 7 years and dowry not death is given 0.08. So if both conditions are present, that is burn injury and marriage less than 7 years, so we'll use Bayes theorem here. So after calculating, we'll get that there is 61% probability that the case falls under BNS section 80, dowry death. So the system predicts this case is most likely a dowry death case and the legal section applied should be BNS 80. So in this question we clearly saw that Bayes theorem helps in decision making and under certain uncertainty, and it is used for fail prediction of students and legal section prediction in crime cases, and it also works by updating probability using real evidence. Thank you.